Hi guys, I'm Prashanthi and you're watching Cook with Prashanthi. I hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is Paneer Tawa Pulao. For this recipe, we need to take first 4 cubes of butter or 50 grams of butter in a kadai. Once the butter melts and it is heated up, we will be adding cumin seeds half teaspoon. As they start spluttering, we will be adding cashew nuts 5 chopped into small pieces. As they start to turn golden brown, we will be adding chopped green chillies. Here I have taken 3 green chillies. Later I have added 1 medium size onion chopped. As they turn translucent, I have added carrot and capsicum cubes half cup. Here for 2 cups of paneer and 4 cups of cooked rice, we will be taking half cup of vegetables. I have taken carrot and capsicum. If you wish, you can take beetroot cubes, potato cubes or peas. As per your choice, you can select the vegetables. Once they are nice and crisp, we will be adding tomatoes which are chopped finely. Here I have taken 1 medium sized tomato. Later followed by half teaspoon of salt. As they start to cook 80% and the tomatoes are nice and soft, we will be adding turmeric powder half teaspoon and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and half teaspoon of chaat masala, followed by half teaspoon of Kasuri methi powder or crushed Kasuri methi. Here you can add the paneer which you have fried in butter, or you can add fresh paneer directly to the kadai. Here I have taken 2 cups of paneer. Make sure that the vegetables and paneer pieces which you are adding in the form of cubes are of bite size. If you wish, you can add paneer before adding the water or after adding the water. It totally depends upon you. After adding all the masalas we will be adding 1/4 cup of water to this, and I have added the paneer later after adding water and let it cook for 5 minutes. Later I have added coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, followed by chopped cilantro and mint leaves 2 teaspoons, which is completely optional. After that I have added 4 cups of cooked rice which is in room temperature. After cooking, I have left it under a fan for 30 minutes. Make sure that the rice is nicely cooked so that when we stir, it doesn't break from the middle. Once we added all the ingredients, we will be adding rice and toss them simultaneously so that all the masalas and veggies get evenly distributed. After that, you need to turn off the flame and check the salt at this stage and add it as per your taste if it is less. And our Paneer Tawa Pulao is ready to be served. You can have this recipe as a lunch for a picnic or day out, or for office, or for evening snack. It is very quick and easy. You can make it with leftover rice as well. For the evening snack in this rainy season. I hope you like this recipe. If yes, do let me know in the comment section below. If you have tried this recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. If you have any recipe request, please let me know in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Here you need to keep in one thing in mind is that the rice must be of room temperature when you are adding in the kadai, because if it is freshly cooked, there are chances of the rice grains getting break from the center and the texture of the pulao might not look good. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.